A cleaner home, taking care of your pet's space. Hello learners. Today, we'll be discussing an important aspect of our daily routines: cleaning pet areas. Pet care is a huge responsibility, and keeping your pet's living space clean is crucial to their health and well-being, as well as for the cleanliness of your home. Let's dive into this. First, let's talk about why we need to clean our pet's space. Pets, just like us, need a clean and sanitary environment to live in. A clean pet area not only ensures your pet's health and happiness, but it also contributes to a hygienic household. A dirty pet area can attract pests, cause unpleasant smells, and may even lead to health issues for both pets and people. So, it's our responsibility as pet owners to maintain cleanliness in our pet's area. Now, let's discuss how to clean your pet's living area. The cleaning method can vary depending on your pet's species, the size of its living area, and the type of mess involved. However, there are some universal rules. 1. Regular cleaning. Ensure that the pet's living area is cleaned regularly. The frequency will depend on the kind of pet you have. Cats' litter boxes, for example, should ideally be cleaned every day. 2. Proper tools. Use proper cleaning tools like brushes, gloves, scrubbers, and pet-safe cleaning products. 3. Deep cleaning. In addition to daily or weekly cleaning, a deep cleaning should be done periodically. This could mean thoroughly washing a bird cage or disinfecting a dog's bed. Remember, consistency is key. Pets have their own set of toys and accessories. These need cleaning too. 1. Toys. Toys should be washed regularly as they can harbor bacteria and dirt. Most soft toys can be machine washed, while hard toys can be cleaned with mild soap and water. 2. Bowls and utensils. Food and water dishes should be cleaned daily to prevent buildup of bacteria and mold. Use warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly, and allow them to dry before using them again. There you have it, folks. Cleaning pet areas is an integral part of pet care, ensuring a clean and safe environment for your pet and your household. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining the health and happiness of your furry, feathery, or scaly friend. Keep practicing your English and your cleaning routines. We'll see you next time with another engaging topic. Keep learning, and remember, practice makes perfect.